Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a headlight installation video on this 2008 Lexus IS 250. Tools needed for the installation is a 1/4 screwdriver, 10mm socket, Phillips head screwdriver, small flat blade screwdriver, panel popper, flashlight, safety glasses, and some masking tape. Now let's get started. First off, we're going to remove 9 10mm bolts securing the bottom of the bumper. Moving to the passenger side wheel, we're going to remove 2 push pins. So take your flat blade screwdriver, turn them horizontal, lift them up, take your panel popper, and pull them out. Next, you're going to peel open your liner up here and remove the 10mm bolt securing the bumper to the fender. Now we're going to disconnect the bumper from the fender and the liner. Here you're going to reach in and disconnect your fog light. Just press on the tab and disconnect. Now do the same to the other side. Next, remove 11 push pins securing the radiator shroud. After that, remove your radiator shroud. Next, remove 2 push pins securing the top of the grille. After that, remove 2 bump stops securing the top of the grille. And then remove 1 10mm bolt. Next, remove the bumper. Let's start by disconnecting the main headlight harness. So go ahead and press on the tab, move the lever, disconnect. After that, remove 3 10mm bolts securing the headlight. After that, you're going to unclip the weather strip and carefully unseat your headlight. This next step, make sure you have something clean and soft to set the lens on. Bring over your old headlight. We're gonna transfer over this bumper bracket guide to the new headlight. So we're gonna remove 3 Phillips screws, securing it. Just gonna unseat it. Bring over the new headlight, transfer over the bracket, and reinstall the 3 Phillips screws. Okay, now we're ready to install our headlight. Bring over your new headlight, turn it to the back, go ahead and plug it in, and then lock the clip. Now we're going to carefully seat our headlight in place, lift up the weather strip, clip the weather strip back in, and then reinstall your 3 10mm bolts. Now repeat the same process on the opposite side. Okay, I'm going to apply some masking tape on the fender just to prevent it from getting damaged when installing the bumper. Now carefully seat your bumper back into place. You're going to reinstall your 10mm bolt securing the top of the grille. Next, reinstall the 2 bump stops. Next, going to reinstall the 2 push pins. Now reinstall the radiator shroud. along with 11 push pins. Moving to the passenger side wheel, go ahead and plug in your fog light. Reinstall your bumper and your liner. Reinstall the 10mm bolt. And reinstall the 2 push pins. Now repeat the same process on the opposite side. Reinstall 9 10mm bolts, securing the bottom of the bumper. Now that we're finished with the installation, let's close the hood and test the headlight functions.